bird tsunami. There's no way I wouldn't run if I saw this coming toward me. TikToker Edo NFSPA shares a video of a bird tsunami of epic proportions. The original source of this video is unknown.
Oh my god, they better get up or they're gonna hit the power lines. Holy fuck!
It isn't just the image, it's the sound. But all of it together is absolutely terrifying. Many in the comments say this is an omen that something evil is coming.
Holy fuck! Oh my god.
I agree that this probably means evil is approaching.